The former finance director for the town of Spring Lake was arrested today on charges of embezzlement, bank fraud, and aggravated identity theft. Officials tell us gay Cameron Tucker stole more than $500,000 of taxpayer money. WRAL's Moreno has the indictment, and she spoke with the state treasurer tonight.
I have that indictment right here. According to documents, misuse of town funds dates back to 2016. I spoke to the state treasurer who showed us one of those checks made out to a nursing home for about $6,000. 63-year-old gay Cameron Tucker stole more than $500,000 from the town of Spring Lake.
The state auditor of North Carolina not only found nearly $500,000 worth of missing money, but also potentially 35 vehicles that are unaccounted for.
State Treasurer Dale FOLWELL says it all took place during her tenure as finance director and accounting technician for the town. $148,000 in checks were made out to GACY Tucker, $177,000 in checks made out to Heritage Place, and $240,000 in checks made payable to BREK Mutual Federal Credit Union, including money for rent, personal living expenses, cash withdrawals, and money transfers to others.
We don't know where it all is, but this is an example of where some of it went. This is actually a check made out to a nursing home. And it's got Tucker written beside the memo line.
How much is it for?
This is for $6,465. And I think that was just for 1 month.
FOLWELL says the money came from property taxes paid in Spring Lake, and people have every right to be upset.
The fact is that some have been slighted, either with having to pay higher property taxes, which is extremely harmful in this inflationary environment for lower and fixed income people, or they did not receive the proper essential services that they thought they were paying for.
Tucker is charged with 1 count of embezzlement, 4 counts of bank fraud, and 2 counts of aggravated identity theft. The FBI is also investigating this case. The first committee hearing will be next week. In Spring Lake, Leslie Moreno, WRAL News.